Welcome back to my quarantine kitchen, where today we're going to try something just that little bit different. Through these hard times, it's really important to support our local producers and our local retailers. That's why today we're having our first unboxing. We've just had a delivery from The Fridge, which is a local delicatessen in Dorchester, and they've provided us some absolutely awesome produce. First up, the essentials: bottle of Chenin Blanc. That'll go straight in the fridge in a second. Then next up, a pile of Greek olives. They look nice. I think I'll try one of those. Let's see if I can get the top off, of course. Well, they look lovely. I'll try with this one. Nice. Then next we've got some lovely baby cherry tomatoes from the Isle of Wight. Let's have a quick look at these. I should have ordered more actually, but we've got what we've got. We are in a quarantine kitchen. Oh, look at those. I bet they're gorgeous and sweet. Try those later on, I think, in a Greek salad. Next up, we've got Applewood smoked cheddar. This is mine and my daughter's favourite. Best thing to do with this is simply put it on some crackers. It's absolutely lovely. Don't try and grate it, it's just a bit too soft. But if you do want to cook it, just crumble it up, put it on the top of a shepherd's pie. Absolutely lovely. Anyway, here's something I haven't tried before. This is Green Thunder Snowdonia mature cheddar with garlic and herbs. This looks absolutely lovely. Don't quite know what I'm going to do with it. I'm just going to eat that one, I think. Next up, we've got the cave-aged Gruyere. I've tried this before. Haven't ever managed to cook anything with it yet because I've just had to eat it straight away. I'm sure it'll be amazing melted because good Gruyere is, but this is truly an amazing cheese. Can't wait to eat it. Now, this is what I've been waiting so I can make the next few videos in this series. This is Greek Feta. This brand is Yamas. It means to our health in Greek. It's going to be really nice and salty, fantastic for a Greek salad. Brilliant in all sorts of other dishes, actually some great pasta dishes as well. Last, but definitely by no means least, is our Red Devil. This cheese is my dirty little secret. It's absolutely lovely, spicy as you like, perfect at the end of an evening with a couple of cold ciders and a few wedges of this. So that's the last cheese out. Last couple of things in the bag. First off, we've got some smoked ham. This stuff is amazing in an omelette, really nice if you just finely grated some of that Red Devil on top as well. Finally, we've got some locally made pastrami. This is without a doubt my favourite deli treat. Goes brilliantly with a traditional Reuben sandwich, but to be honest with you, I just quite like it on its own. So I might sit in a quiet corner of the garden with a glass of cider and not tell anyone else that I've got it. So I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's not the usual sort of thing that I do, but I just wanted to make sure that we've got to celebrate our local suppliers. This one is The Fridge in Dorchester. As I say, I'm not sponsored by them. This isn't anything to do with them. I hope they don't mind me doing it, but the service has been fantastic. The food is truly awesome, and if you really fancy something for a treat, you can't do better than this. But that's our first unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.